Welcome back to Best Product Reviews. Are you looking for a great camera in 2026 but don't want to spend a fortune? Then this is the video for you. Not everyone needs to spend thousands of dollars to get into photography or video creation, and today we're proving exactly that. Whether you're a complete beginner picking up your very first camera, a student on a tight budget, or someone who just wants a simple, reliable camera for everyday memories and content creation, there are some genuinely fantastic affordable options out there right now. We've done all the research and testing to bring you the top 5 best cheap and budget cameras you can buy today. From entry-level DSLRs to modern mirrorless options, we've covered every budget and every type of beginner shooter. So let's jump right in and find the perfect affordable camera for you.
At number 5, we have the Nikon D3500. If you are an absolute beginner to photography and you want a camera that doesn't just take great photos, but actually teaches you how to use it along the way, the Nikon D3500 is uniquely special. This budget DSLR stands out from every other camera on today's list because of one feature that no other camera here offers: a built-in guide mode. Guide mode is exactly what it sounds like, an interactive step-by-step walkthrough built right into the camera that teaches you the fundamentals of photography as you shoot. It explains settings, walks you through decisions, and helps you understand why you're making the choices you're making. For someone who has never picked up an interchangeable lens camera before, this is an incredibly valuable learning tool that can genuinely accelerate your growth as a photographer. You're not just buying a camera, you're buying a photography tutor. Beyond the educational features, the D3500 is a genuinely capable beginner camera. The APS-C sensor captures excellent image quality that punches well above its price class, delivering sharp, detailed photos with natural-looking colors and solid dynamic range. The raw photo score of 7.2 and travel photography score of 7.2 reflect real-world capability that will serve beginners very well. The body is relatively compact and lightweight for a DSLR, making it comfortable to carry on trips and outings, and the battery life is genuinely spectacular. You can shoot all day long without worrying about running out of power, which is something most mirrorless cameras at this price simply cannot match. There are clear limitations to be aware of. Video features are very basic, burst shooting is slow, and the autofocus system is more suited to slower and static subjects than fast-moving action. And importantly, Nikon has discontinued the D3500, so you'll need to seek out a used model. But if you're a complete beginner who wants to learn photography properly with a camera that holds your hand through the process, the D3500 is a wonderful starting point. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
Next up is the Canon EOS Rebel T7, also known as the Canon EOS 2000D. If you want the absolute most affordable interchangeable lens camera you can buy brand new right now, the Canon Rebel T7 is the answer. This is the best cheap camera we've tested, and for shooters who primarily care about photography and need to keep costs as low as humanly possible, it gets the job done remarkably well. Inside the Rebel T7 is a high-resolution APS-C sensor that captures genuinely great photos. Colors are pleasant and natural, detail is solid, and for everyday photography, family moments, travel snapshots, portraits, and landscapes, this camera will produce images that will impress anyone who hasn't seen what a dedicated camera can do versus a smartphone. The raw photo score of 6.9 and landscape score of 6.8 are honest reflections of its capability at this price point. Like the D3500, the Rebel T7 is compatible with Canon's extensive EF and EFS lens ecosystem, one of the largest and most affordable lens libraries in the world. That means as your skills grow and you want to experiment with different focal lengths or invest in better glass, you have an enormous range of options available at every price point. And DSLR battery life being what it is, you'll be shooting far longer on a single charge compared to any mirrorless camera at a similar price. The trade-offs are very real though. There is no 4K video capability and no flip-out screen, so vloggers and video creators should look elsewhere. The autofocus system is basic by modern standards, and the burst rate is very slow, making it a poor choice for sports or wildlife. It's a photography-first, budget-first camera, and nothing more. But if capturing great photos on the smallest possible budget is your goal, the Canon Rebel T7 is hard to beat. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
Keeping it going with the Canon EOS Rebel SL3, known internationally as the Canon EOS 250D.
If you want the best budget DSLR that combines excellent portability with a more complete feature set than the Rebel T7, the SL3 is the one to go for. This is actually one of the most compact and lightweight DSLRs Canon has ever produced, which is a big deal. You get the traditional DSLR advantages without as much of the bulk. So what are those DSLR advantages exactly? First, battery life. DSLRs consistently outlast mirrorless cameras on a single charge, and the SL3 is no exception. You can shoot far more frames per charge than any mirrorless option at this price. Second, the optical viewfinder. Unlike electronic viewfinders or live view screens, an optical viewfinder shows you the world exactly as it is, zero lag, zero battery drain, which many photographers genuinely prefer for a more natural, responsive shooting experience. And third, the lens ecosystem. Being compatible with Canon's enormous EF and EFS lens library means you have access to decades worth of affordable lens options from both Canon and third-party manufacturers. What really pushes the SL3 above the Rebel T7 is its expanded feature set. This camera actually offers 4K video capability, making it one of the very few budget DSLRs that can do so. The articulating screen touchscreen is a massive practical addition for vlogging, self-recording, and shooting from awkward angles. The autofocus system is more reliable than the T7, handling slower subjects and everyday shooting scenarios with good consistency. Travel photography scores 7.2 and landscape scores 7.5, solid numbers for a budget DSLR. If you love the traditional DSLR shooting experience, but want a camera that's more travel-friendly and feature-complete than a bare-bones beginner body, the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is one of the most appealing budget DSLRs on the market today. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
The runner-up is the Canon EOS R100. Now we're moving into mirrorless territory, and the Canon EOS R100 is Canon's most affordable entry point into the mirrorless world. If you're on a very tight budget, but you're determined to go mirrorless rather than DSLR, this is the camera for you. Think of it as the mirrorless equivalent of the Canon Rebel T7, a stripped-back, no-frills entry-level body that gets the fundamentals right at the lowest possible mirrorless price point. The R100's mirrorless design means it's genuinely compact and portable, more so than any of the DSLRs on today's list. The body is slim, lightweight, and easy to carry anywhere, which is a real advantage for travel and everyday shooting. The autofocus system is also more effective than what you'd find in a similarly priced DSLR, handling everyday subjects with greater reliability and consistency. The APS-C sensor delivers solid image quality, with travel photography scoring 7.7 and landscape scoring 7.6, respectable numbers at this budget level. Here's the really important long-term consideration with the R100. It uses Canon's RF lens mount, the same mount found on Canon's professional-grade mirrorless cameras like the EOS R5 and R6. That means when you're ready to upgrade your body down the line, all the lenses you've invested in will carry over completely. You're not buying into a dead-end system. You're buying into one of the most future-proof ecosystems in the mirrorless camera market. That's an unusually smart long-term investment at this price point. The honest limitations, the R100 does not have an articulating screen, which the pricier R50 does, and the 4K video features are quite limited, making it less ideal for dedicated video creators or vloggers. The vlogging score of 5.0 reflects those limitations clearly. But if you want the cheapest possible entry point into the Canon RF mirrorless system with solid photo performance and genuine long-term value, the EOS R100 is a smart and sensible choice. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
And the best one is the Canon EOS R50. This is the best overall budget camera we've tested, full stop. The EOS R50 earns the #1 position by offering the best combination of features, image quality, video capability, portability, and future-proofing of any affordable camera on today's list, all at a price that still represents exceptional value. If you can stretch your budget even slightly above the absolute cheapest options, the R50 is where your money is best spent. Let's start with the design. The EOS R50 is a highly portable mirrorless camera that is genuinely easy to take anywhere, on trips, to events, on daily walks, absolutely everywhere. It's compact, lightweight, and comfortable in the hand, making it the kind of camera you'll actually carry with you, rather than leaving it home because it's too bulky. For a beginner, that portability is crucial, because the best camera is always the one you have with you. The APS-C sensor inside the R50 delivers excellent image quality that outperforms every DSLR on today's list. Dynamic range is solid, detail is sharp, colors are beautiful, and the sport and wildlife photography score of 8.0 and travel photography score of 7.9 reflect a camera that genuinely performs well across a wide variety of real-world shooting situations. The autofocus system is genuinely impressive at this price point. Canon has brought in advanced subject tracking and detection technology that makes getting sharp, in-focus images dramatically easier for beginners who are still learning the ropes. The fully articulated screen touchscreen is a game changer for content creators, vloggers, and anyone who wants to shoot selfies or record themselves. Flip it around, frame yourself up, and you're ready to go. Simple as that. And the video capabilities here are far superior to any DSLR on today's list, with 4K recording and a decent range of frame rate options that give beginner video shooters real creative flexibility. And just like the R100, the EOS R50 uses Canon's RF mount, so every lens you buy today carries forward when you eventually upgrade to a more advanced Canon mirrorless body. You're investing in a system, not just a camera. If you're starting your photography or content creation journey and want the best all-around affordable camera available in 2026, the Canon EOS R50 is the one to get. For updated pricing and more details, check out the links in the description.
Thanks for watching. There you have it, the top 5 best cheap and budget cameras of 2026. You don't need to spend a fortune to take amazing photos, start a YouTube channel, or document your life in beautiful detail. Every single camera on today's list is proof of that. Whether you're a complete beginner who wants a camera that teaches you as you go, a content creator on a budget who needs flip-out screen and 4K video, or someone who simply wants the best possible image quality for the lowest possible price, there's an option on this list that's perfect for you. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Best Product Reviews for more camera reviews and buying guides every week. Drop a comment below and let us know which camera you're considering, or share what camera you started your photography journey with. We'd love to hear your story. And remember, all the links to these cameras are in the description below, with the latest pricing and availability. Thanks again for watching, and happy shooting!